Hey, it's the Carver Kings. Paul Furnett here with a PSA announcement for you for all you chainsaw carvers out there. Have you bought a new cannon bar or a new carving bar and you throw it on your saw, and within a few minutes or within a day or two it starts burning out on you and you can't figure out why? Well, yeah, I'm going to show you why. And basically the problem is on the old saws, they used to have a metal plate across here, and this metal plate would block off the adjustment holes. See how that sits on there? You got your oil that comes in here, and what happens is there's actually a slot. I don't know if you can see through there, but if you look in here, maybe if I hold it up to the light here, you can see that there's the slot. Your oil channels cut actually through your adjustment hole, so the oil will go in your oil holes and then it drops down through this hole. Well, before there was a plate on here, so when your oil came in here, the plate that would be behind it would stop that oil from coming out. Well, that's not there anymore. See, on the saw, on your saw side, there's this metal plate. So with the bar in place, that oil was trapped in that hole, so it wouldn't matter. So if you had your plate on this side, it would block it. So what you'll probably finding is that you run a saw and it looks like you got oil coming out because the oil's spraying everywhere, but what's actually happening is it's going through your channel, through this hole, coming out this honeycombing, and then just dropping down on the bottom of the chain. So you're getting oil on the outside rather than the inside. So the solution for this is real simple. I guess Canon's actually come out with a plate that you can buy for $6 or $8 US that you can put over top of that. But basically all I'm doing is taking a good old piece of duct tape. So I got some metal duct tape. You just peel off a chunk, clean your bar off really good, and wrap that around there. You make sure that your oil holes are still open. Right? So wrap that all the way around there, and then you just put it on, and voila, you got a solution to the oil problem. And you'll find that you'll use a tenth of the oil, and you actually push the oil through the drive channel. So one other thing to watch out for: if you look at the adjustment holes or the oil holes on here, when you line them up, you can see where your oil feeder is. Well, if you place that in and you're chintzy on chain like I am, and you try and make the chain as short as you can, well, guess what? You're not on the oil hole because your oil hole's way up here, right? So if you look at it, if that bar's all the way back, it's actually not hitting your oiler, so you're not even getting any oil, right? So you got to make sure that you add in an extra link so that your oiler is on the oil holes. So basically that's it. That's I went through several bars before I figured out why the hell they were burning out, and basically any of the new saws, if you look at them, if you look on your attachment plate, if it's open here, then you're going to have a problem with your bar. So I don't know if that's just the Canon bars or if the other bars do it, but basically if you look at your drive channel and there's a slot through that into your adjustment hole, then you got to cover it up. Anyway, hope that helps you all out. Always like the views. Like and share if you can. We appreciate it. It makes it worth it for us to do more videos. Anyway, take it easy.